Hi guys, in this video I would like to show you how to make half of square. In other video I leave the link in subscription box. You will see how to make a square, and this is gonna be half of this square. For the work I will use crochet hook 1.1 from Tulip and crochet yarn number 3 from Cable Dew Filter King, 50 grams, 175 yards. Let's get started. Make magic ring, go under the cross, grab the yarn, secure it with a 1 chain. Now make 7 single crochet into this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Grab the short tail and pull the ring. Join it with a slip stitch into the chain what we made beginning of the row. Now we will not work on the rounds. We will turn our work. Turn it, make 3 chain to bring up the yarn. Now we will make 7 puff stitches with 5 chain arches between. For the first one we made 3 chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch and make unfinished double crochet, and another one, 2 unfinished double crochet, work together. This is the first puff stitch, 5 chains, 4, 5, another puff stitch into the next stitch, making 3 unfinished double crochet into the same loop with the same top, 5 chain arch, 2, 3, 4, 5, another 3 double crochet cluster or puff stitch. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I finished this row. Do not join in. Turn the work and we will go this way. This row we will need to make 5 chain arches with 1 single crochet in each arch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. single crochet under the first arch to make a side of our triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains, single crochet under the next arch, and continue till the end. 3, 4, 5, single crochet into the next arch. And into the last arch we will make also single crochet. Now to finish this row we need to make 2 chains and 1 double crochet we will make on top of this cluster work into the chain under 2 loops. Double crochet. This row is also ready. Turn our work, and now to make a sharp corner we will make another double crochet cluster or puff stitch. 3 chain to bring up the yarn, 2 unfinished double crochet into the same arch, 3 loops on a hook, work through everything. We made 3 double crochet cluster. Now we need to make this corner a little bit sharp. For this we will make 6 chains, slip stitch under this 3 loops of the puff stitch. In this way this side will be even. 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, slip stitch under the next arch, 5 chains, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet under the next arch, sorry, over here also single crochet, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5. Over here we will make the corner, puff stitch from 3 unfinished double crochet, 4 loops on a hook, work with 1 time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains between, another puff stitch into the same arch, 1 unfinished double crochet, 2, 3, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, single crochet under the next arch, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, single crochet under the next arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over here into the last arch we will make same way what we've done over here. 1 double crochet cluster, 4 loops on a hook, work with 1, 6 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, slip stitch under this, 4 loops, Now we can cut the yarn. Pull up the yarn, hide the tails, and half of our square is ready. That's how you can join it. This arch from 5 goes into the middle of this arch from 6 chains. Check more videos in my channel. Check the box to see how I made this square, and I also leave the link how to join some squares. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.